Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at a Nintendo Switch, which is something new for me. So I got the Switch a while ago. It was working fine. Switched the back plate to this nice Animal Crossing back plate because the original one was kind of busted. And it was working fine, and then suddenly it kind of became this situation where, like, as you see right now, it has no power. And when I try to power it on, it doesn't work. And then I got one of these guys, which is like a USB-C, I guess, like voltage reader. And when I plug it in to the charger, so I'm using a official Nintendo Switch charger, a Bob Brew. When I plug this all in, it this will power on, and it will show that it's getting the, I don't know if this is correct, 14.95 volt and then 0.136 amps. This kind of fluctuates. And sometimes it'll get to the screen where on the top left it shows the battery charging, and it'll do that for a while, and then when it gets to the actual like home screen where you press AAA to unlock, on that screen it will no longer charge, and it'll just turn off and then loop over and over. If I swap like the sides, sometimes I also get this will just kind of fluctuate over and over. So like power on, power off, power on, power off. I've tried different charging cables working. This cable actually works on another Switch. I've tried everything without opening up the Switch, and none of it works. So what I've been told is I can swap the M92 chip or something like that. Never done a Switch, so I ended up getting all three, which I think is an M92, a fuel gauge, and a B something. Got all three of them. So basically in today's video we're gonna swap out an M92 and see if it works. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna take this apart and jump right on into it. Alrighty, Switch is all taken apart, so I believe I'm looking at this guy, which in reference, this is the entire board, and that's the super small chip. So if we zoom all the way in, that's as far as I'm gonna get. But yeah, this is that M92 chip. So basically, plan is, as you guys have seen me done with other things, flux around it, heat it up using my hot air wand to 350C, wait until it turns liquidous, lift it up, apply some leaded solder around, I guess, and plop a new one down, and hopefully that works. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. Alrighty, hopefully that came through well with the microscope cam, but essentially that guy was swapped out. So gonna plug my power in. Zoom you guys out a tad bit. I think it worked. I'm getting 14.92 volts with 0.450 amps. I'm not sure how much it's supposed to get, but I think it's taking it the same from both sides, and we're getting the same thing here. So I'm gonna just leave it to charge for a bit and see if it turns on. While it's charging, I'm also gonna just clean out the back because I don't like the way it looks right now. So I'm gonna just clean up some of this goop and put it all back together, and we'll come back when it's charged. Alrighty, we're back, and this is the Switch. working in all its full glory. So we are at 32%, 31% as you see there. And if we plug in the charger, charges, and we get 0.843 amps. Oops, sorry, you guys can't see, but there you go. So I'm gonna say this one was cool, good to go. Cool experience, bit weird, had to use the microscope first time, but it went down in one try, all good to go. Same Animal Crossing console. So yeah, if you thought this was cool, interesting, useful, whatever, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.